Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahfuzur Rahman. My department is Tripoli at A Base. My ID this. So today my presentation topic is wind energy. Wind energy is part of renewable energy. What do we know? Renewable energy is a very simple. Renewable energy is energy that come from natural resource that can be continuously renewed such as sun, wind, water and geothermal energy, unlike the fossil fuel energy, which is limited in quantity and causes pollution. Now discuss about of wind energy. Content, introduction, what is wind energy, working principle of wind energy, wind turbine construction and specific component, advantage, disadvantage of wind energy, and finally lifetime impact of environment. What is wind energy? Wind energy is the converting of wind power to electric power through the use of turbine or windmill. Electricity produced is sent to transformer, where voltage is increased and sent to power grid via transmission line. Working principle of wind energy. How does wind energy work? So, wind blow past turbine, rotating their blade. The kinetic energy is transmitted into mechanical energy. A gearbox is spring a generator to produce electricity. Wind generator from electricity transformer convert to appropriate voltage line. The electricity transport the grid of distribution. Wind turbine construction. Number 1 blade, number 2 rotor, number 3 pitch, number 7 generator and number 15 main tower. Advantage of wind energy. Wind is free. Wind farm no need fuel or fossil fuel. Produce no waste and greenhouse gas. A good method of supply energy in remote area. Disadvantage of wind energy. It creates a noise. This area full noiseable. Thank you watching my video.